My name is Mike Veny, and I'd like to tell you about my self-care workshop, which can also serve as a breakout session. There has never been a more important time in history to focus on your mental wellness. You probably have heard a lot about self-care, but perhaps you're unsure how to really practice it in your life. Or maybe you've dismissed it all as smoothies and bubble baths, and you question whether self-care can really help you. In this interactive workshop, you will learn what self-care really is and isn't, and how you can implement strategies that improve your overall wellness. I love giving this workshop because it's very real. And one thing that I let people know who hire me to do this workshop is that I'm not only the facilitator, I'm also an attendee too. And one of the things that I like about it is there was this phrase that I used to have in my office. I should totally put it back here in my office. Measurement eliminates argument. In life, you can manage what you can measure. Like we know this with money, right? If you want to get better with money, you know what you need to start measuring your spending. If you want to get better with your weight, you know you need to start measuring your food and your exercise. You can manage what you can measure. But when it comes to mental health, how does that work? So one of the first things that we do in this workshop, and I have to warn everyone that it gets real because everyone gets to measure how they're doing with their mental health and their self-care. And I have to warn people not to judge themselves because it gets really real. And what I like about this is it's cool because everyone at the end walks away with a written self-care plan, So this is not just another, learn about mindfulness and all that. No, this is an interactive workshop where the attendees actually get to help each other. So they will learn how to differentiate self-care from escape activities, identify strategies for practicing self-care, explain the 8 dimensions of wellness and how to leverage them to help build resilience, and as I said before, make a plan which includes coping ahead for stressful situations that might come up. And again, that customized self-care plan is one of the best parts about it. So love giving this workshop. Again, I'll be an attendee too and also the facilitator. So I invite you to contact me by visiting www.mikeveny.com or clicking the link in the description below.